Are toxic backlinks hurting your website without you even knowing? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and remove toxic links using Semrush, step by step, so you can protect your site's rankings and keep your SEO health strong. First, go to Semrush and under a SEO, go to Backlink Audit. I am in that area already. And from the projects, you can select your project. I will select Studio Amara. So you can see toxic links here. Let's move to another project. Let's go to New Quarter. So there you can see there is one toxic link. So if there are even one toxic link, that's very, very critical to site's health. When we see a toxic link, at least one toxic link, we need to remove that as soon as possible. You can see that there is one toxic link under New Quarter project. You can click that one number and you come to this interface. So you can see this is the toxic link we need to remove. You can select that. And what you have to do is here you can see there is a tab called This Valve. First select that toxic link and click this Disavow button. There comes Move to this valve. Click that one also. That link has moved to this valve section. So now what we have to do is here you can see our We Audit removed as well and so many things from them. You can click this valve. Under that is V tab. You can see the toxic links here. These toxic links have been disposed already. As you saw, there are one toxic link that we need to remove. We are going to update the removal of toxic links. So to do that, you need to export to text these old links. We need to export to text. The two links have downloaded as a text file. Now what you have to do is you need to go to Google T tool. From this, we need to select our property. I will select our property New Quarter. I'm going to replace the toxic link file that we downloaded as a text file, so we are going to replace that. This is the file we downloaded just now. Open that. Now it's uploading. Now you can show that this file is submitted. Now you can close this tab and you need to rerun this campaign. In order to see the backlink audit results after this campaign finish rerunning, you can see that one toxic link have been removed. So that's how to run simply removing toxic link in a website through Simmer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.